Today, I will try to create Gmail using OneScribe free VPN. First, I will connect to a location from the VPN. Already, I have joined the city of USA. Now, I will check his IP by typing what.net from the browser. Here IP has shown 90%, it has to be 100%. And the time zone shows -8 here, it should be changed to -6. I will adjust the time zone from the date and time settings. Now I will reload the browser. You can see that the IP is showing 100% and the time zone is correct. Now I will create Gmail from the browser's new in private window page. Then the Gmail create link is already bookmarked in this browser. Click here. Then I will fill up the Gmail create boxes step by step. First I will choose a unique name from the fake name generator. How to fill in the create boxes? I hope everyone can do it. I will give you a strong password. I have finished filling in all the boxes in Gmail Create. Now I will click on the next option. You can see that the recovery mail has shown in Gmail. I will take a new tab in this browser. And I will try to create another Gmail in the same way. This Gmail is also happening. I will try to create another Gmail in the same process. These emails are done easily. I will set up the recovery mail. Now I will click on the next option and copy the Gmails and save them in the sheet. This is happening due to network and server issues. There is no problem. Gmail is ready. You can see that only 3 Gmails are showing here. I will disconnect VPN. No more today, with best wishes to you all.